once you are done with the problem, then you get to the point where you start describing your solution. Now, a lot of early stage entrepreneurs, what I have seen is they will get into the weeds. So focus on how you uniquely solve the problem than anything that is out there. It may be somewhat of a competing product. It may be an alternative, which is age-old alternative. In many cases, especially if I had to give examples of software companies, people may be using paper or Word doc or PowerPoint and so forth, right? And it may be very, very inefficient, but it is still a way they're currently using. That's the alternative, right? So how your solution is significantly different and unique, right? And again, do not talk about all the nitty-gritty attributes. Talk about few key elements that really makes you different, number one, and that really delivers the maximum benefit to the user. In terms of, it could be cost saving, in terms of their ability to drive their revenue, it could be their ability to drive their margins, or customer satisfaction, whatever that may be, right? How you're superior, how it is unique, and what benefits the users will realize. And again, try to quantify those. Try to quantify to the extent possible. And again, once you start quantifying, you will start realizing that the problem I thought is big, but maybe it's not. Then what's the real big problem, right? Are we really solving a big problem? It will help your own thought process and business planning process as well, along the way. Then obviously, if you can show a demo, and again, for a software product, you could, for others also, you could show a real prototype or a sort of early version of the product and show how it works. So show a demo, if you for some reason cannot do it, show wireframes or some other means of doing it, but really bring it to life. Bring that workflow to life, or bring that process that the end user currently goes through, or the pain the end user currently goes through, and how you are going to actually change that.